Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Healed channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing an unboxing of the winter seasonal surprise box from Erin Condren. As you know, I purchase almost every single one of these boxes because I always love, if not all, at least most of the items that I receive from them. So I wanted to share what's inside of this box with you. And for those that received it, hopefully you'll let me know in the comments whether or not you enjoyed it as much as I do. I am opening it in real time. This is my first time seeing all of the items, so I wanted to have this moment with you. Let's get started. So this is the inside of the box. It starts off obviously with, oh wow, I love this collaboration too. The Etta V collaboration with Erin Condren. It talks about this artist and her contributions to the Erin Condren collection. And I'm even more excited now because I absolutely love her art. So if the things in here are designed by her in collaboration with Erin Condren, then this should be a really nice box. And then obviously we have a nice little card they always include with all the different things inside. But I'm not going to open it because I want to see those things for myself. I love this beautiful gold gift paper. And you know, actually the funny thing is Erin Condren always talks about how you can take these boxes and reuse them to re-gift for people. And I never get a chance to really do that. But with it being the holiday season and I just love the confetti in this box, I think I'm going to try to find a use for this year. So the phrase inside the box says, "Make the days count." And that is absolutely important going into this new year. So I'm actually going to take the box off screen and just share with you each of the individual items included in this winter seasonal surprise box. All right, so the first item that they have is this year-over-year journal, which I'm not really sure what that means. We're going to take it out of the plastic. And this is a hardcover journal, which is really nice. Nice quality. It has the mid-century circles design inside. Really pretty. And then it looks like a prompted journal. So it actually looks like it could be for goal setting, gratitude, memories, and habits. It's a daily journal, so you can start it at any particular time and then just fill in some information. I really like this. I think I will make this a gratitude journal going into the new year. That is something I've never done. This is a nice journal to be able to do that. Keep this on my nightstand and just every day do a reflection and then something to be grateful for. So it gives you some information in terms of how to use it and then some ideas. And I really do like the layout for that. It's very, very simple. You can create your own headers. You can do it day to day or just it's undated, so you can pick it up whenever you can remember to. So yeah, this is really great in terms of making sure that you keep accountable for the days in the year. The next thing here is a color blend sticky pocket. Add more storage to your planner or notebook with this colorful sticky pocket. I like the ombre. I think ombre is something here that they're definitely playing out with this particular box. And I will probably find a way to use it in one of my planners. It could probably even be used in this one if you put it inside and maybe keep your photos if you were going to do like a daily reflection of your memories from each day. You can also put pens and other things in this pocket as well. The next thing are these cute little stickers. I'm not going to take them out of the plastic. Well, actually, maybe I will because it looks like there's more than one sheet of stickers here. Okay, so there are 2 sheets of stickers here, some cute boxes, to-do, headers, some habit trackers, celebrate stickers, some more boxes. And then over here, these would be great actually for my A5 planner. They look like they're the perfect size for that. And then we also have some circles, some flags, and some headers here as well. So 2 pages A really pretty, bright, vibrant stickers. The next thing I have, and oh, I'm excited about this, is actually the Etta V hardcovers. And this actually looks like it's for the A5 planner. And it is really, really pretty. I love this color scheme. I've been saying I want to purchase more of her designs from the site. So I'm really happy that this was included in the box. It goes very well with the other colors and the whole ombre color scheme. I don't have actually one of the A5 spiral planners. I have the binder, but hopefully this will, actually I do have a gratitude one. So maybe this will go on my, not my gratitude, will go on my wellness journal. Because that is A5 size and it is spiral bound. So this is great for being able to interchange the different journals, notebooks, and things like that in the A5 size. The next thing I have is actually this little ceramic tray. And let me see if I can open this. This is pretty. I guess it's like a nesting tray. And it's a little rainbow. Oh, that's pretty. It's a ceramic tray from Erin Condren. Cute little rainbow theme here. And this will be great on my planner stand or maybe your nightstand. Somewhere to just catch little extra things, jewelry, planner supplies, anything like that. So this is really cute as well. Then the next thing I have is another cover. Actually, this looks like the 7x9 covers, and this has the confetti theme that is also on the box. I absolutely love this. I have to say, I think it's stunning with the metallic dots. And yeah, I absolutely love this. This will be great as a cover for going into the new year. This is also a gift wrap set that is with the mid-century circles design. It comes with ribbon, it comes with gift tags, and it looks like several sheets of paper, including actually the colorful version as well as the metallic. I absolutely love that. So this is actually great as well for putting together gifts for loved ones during the holidays. Really nice. And last but definitely not least, we have the dual tip list markers 2-pack. And I was really excited actually about these because they were one of the sneak peeks. And let me see if I can open that. I want to pull these out because they're not just regular markers. Normally, Erin Condren does provide a lot of markers with these boxes for new colors or themes and things like that. But these are actually pretty cool because they are like the dot markers. They have a fine tip on one end. I'll put my little sample sheet here. Oh, this is black too. It's not in a pink. Okay, that's pretty cool. So you could actually use that to write with. It's really nice, almost like a gel pen. And then the other side is super cute because you stamp and it gives you the cute little Erin Condren asterisk, which is really, really adorable. And then on the blue one, it also has the fine tip in black. And the other end of it has circles, so you can make a checklist. These are super cute. I actually feel like these are probably my 2 favorite things in the box, to be honest with you. I can't say this is my absolute favorite Erin Condren box. I was actually hoping there would be more Etta V design pieces in here. Like if the gift wrap was in the Etta V designs, that would have been awesome. But I get that Erin Condren's brand is really about, you know, their designs and things like that. So it makes sense that they only have little sneak peeks of the different things that they do. But once again, you get gift wraps. You get not one, but actually 2 covers. One for the A5, one for the 7x9. You get a ceramic tray, stickers. We always love stickers. A sticky pocket, and a nice hardcover journal going into the new year. So these are some great things to prepare for the new year. I do love the bright, vibrant colors. Erin Condren never disappoints with their beautiful themes. I would say I probably will use maybe half of this stuff, like the stickers, the notebook, and probably 1 or 2 of the covers. Once again, it's a nice box, and I'm very grateful for being able to share it with you today. Hopefully you liked it and enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, friends.